What's good, people? Uncle Hotep back at it again. How y'all doing? Connie Barrett emerges as favorite on right, target for left. Trump confirms he's Supreme Court nominee will be announced Monday. Is this the clip?
There's now a vacancy on the Supreme Court. And if you turn in Monday at 9 o'clock, I think you're going to be extremely happy with your selection, right? And they're all great. They're all great.
Who's he going to pick? Now, the Hill saying Amy Coney Barrett has emerged as a favorite. 46-year-old appellate judge. Unabashedly conservative, deeply religious. They're saying their gender conservatives hope will make it harder for critics to paint her as extreme on women's rights and health care. They're saying she's questioned Roe v. Wade here and course differs the legal precedent. She's a conservative woman who's been successful, who has been a mother, been a professor, which represents a lot of conservative women out there. The left hates that. It does not fit their model. Schumer said she's an activist judge and will be the deciding vote on overturning Roe versus Wade. Listen, all I'm saying is, Trump would be wise to pick a woman, a younger woman judge, youngish. You know, I guess 40s. I guess is that the average age of a Supreme Court judge? 40s. I think I would do it. Now, if I was Trump, I would do it. I would pick a woman this time. As conservative as you can get, because this way, you know how the culture is shifting towards women. You know, you could be like, hey, man, it's a woman. What do you want me to do? You know what I'm saying? I think you would do it. You could get away with that. But I would put one up because, you know, that's how he got elected. You know, everybody's saying the white woman put him in office. I tend to agree. And him picking a white woman, a conservative white woman, that goes a long way as far as voting, you know, in elections. I'm not saying it should, but it does. You got to look how it plays on the masses. You know what I mean? People just might vote for one singular thing and things of that nature. But you know, I think we need conservative judges because I think the country has went too far left. I say this all the time. We went way too far left for my comfort zone. I don't know about y'all's, but I mean, this is craziness. I never would imagine some of the stuff I see today. I'm like, man, what? I want to be like, man, what are you white folks is dropping the ball, man? Get back on the ball, man. Y'all gotta get back on the ball, man. This ship is going. Yeah, but that's my pick. I don't know who else is on his list. You know what I mean? But I think he's going to pick a woman for his nominee. And you know, because Ginsburg is next, and I don't think you should replace the woman with a woman because of their gender. But if politically, I think he's got to pick a woman here. And now, who's that going to be? I don't know. It may be this Amy Coney Barrett. You never know. I mean, is overturning Roe versus Wade a big deal in my book? I don't know. I do think I do not agree with abortion though. So I mean, and I think it should be curtailed because you know, it seems like to me a lot of women that I've seen are just using it as some sort of birth control. I don't know. I think it's just morally wrong, if you ask me. Like, I think we should be responsible enough creatures to know if you have sex that you may get pregnant or get someone pregnant. You know, I think just because we think we're such an advanced species, you know, like we can have sex for fun and stuff like that. You know, and I think we may not have been designed that way. Well, I mean, but whatever. Like, that's a consequence of it. So, I mean, shit. Like, the little person born, trying to be born, doesn't have a say in it. You know what I mean? But I don't know. But my point is it necessary? I mean, is it needed? Like, in some aspects, I think you can make some cases for it, but I think it should be severely cut back, especially with like Plan B pills and stuff like that. Like, if you don't want it, I think you get plenty of time to take Plan B pills, and that stuff works. You know what I mean? So, I don't know. But is that where we're going? I don't. That would be such a big issue. Like, it seemed like the left might go to war for that. You know what I mean? They might take it to the guns. They might take it to bombing. They might take it back to the 70s, 60s, and 70s and start bombing everywhere. They were telling me there was hundreds of bombs back in the day. Everywhere. It was just, it was crazy. But I think they'll take it back to that. You know, maybe they might punk out, start crying, because you know they're running around with pink hats. But I don't know. But anyway, my prediction is he'll select a woman. But we'll see. Anyway, this is Uncle Hotep. I'll talk to you later. Peace. Oh, by the way, episode 2 of Hotep's Been Told You is on Vibe's channel. Vibe High. Just type Vibe High on YouTube and it'll come up. I think we'll probably just alternate channels, me and him. So maybe episode 3 will be on my channel, my secondary channel. So go over to Vibe High's channel, subscribe, so y'all can get the notification when we stream. And I'll talk to y'all later. Peace.